Hello friends, if you want to build your skills in SAP Analytics Cloud, if you want to build powerful visualizations with the help of Analytics applications or Analytics Designer, if you want to get trained on SAP Analytics Cloud with the real-time examples or real-time projects, then we are going to conduct SAP Analytics Cloud training for 8 weeks. In these 8 weeks, you are going to get trained on SAP Analytics Cloud, where you will be trained on real-time projects from the industry expert. With the help of this training, you can be ready for the SSC certification, and for your next job as well, you can be ready to work on the SAP Analytics Cloud. Now we are going to see what are the topics which we are going to cover in this 8 week. Let's try to see this. So first week will be covering about the SSC overview. Means we will try to understand what is analytics, what is its industry history, what is the future ahead for the analytics industry, what is SSC, what is how SSC architecture is set up, what are the features of SSC, SAP vision for SSC, and then licensing and comparison with different BI tools. And we will try to see some of the SAP sample examples as well with some of the dashboards. This will we are going to see in a week 1. In the week 2, we are going to see about all about connectivity and modeling. Then what are the different data types? What types of database connections we can create, like live database connection or import connections? What are different types of models we can create? How we can fix any issues which are coming in SSC model? What is analytic model? What is planning model? And then we are going to see how to maintain that SSC models as well. There are many geomap fields, how to combine two data sets, hierarchy creation. These are also we are going to see. In the third week, we are going to see about BI dashboards and digital boardroom. So this is now a very powerful feature which is available, where we can actually create SSC stories where with the help of standard templates or custom templates. And there are various templates which are like responsive page or canvas or grid, and when to we use which pages or which templates, that we are going to see. There are different chart types, how to use those chart types, which chart type is suitable for which data, that we are going to see. Calculated dimensions and measures, filters, table, time series charts. Then we important topic about the linked analysis, conditional formatting, geomap creation, hyperlinking, data blending, data explorer, and then widget properties, settings, digital boardroom, and customizing digital boardroom. So these are the things which we are going to see in week 3. In week 4, we are going to see all about smart features or predictive features available with the SSC. So now in this where we are going to see about smart wrangling, search to insights, smart grouping, smart discovery, R visualization. So now this is very powerful features when it comes to SAP. This week will be very interesting, and we'll be covering most of the topics which are more related to this features. Now the next week will be about planning. So planning is very important, where BPC or planning data sources, planning models, planning dimension, account time, organization, how planning model settings, and these are the topics which we will be covering in the week 5. So will be focused on SAP planning only, and how we can build powerful planning models, how to use that, and what are different its types. In week C is analytics applications, all about scripting. So how we can build our advanced dashboards or analytic applications with the help of Analytics Designer. And this is going to be very interesting, because normal stories or dashboards or digital boardrooms, we have the ready-made templates which we use. But when it comes to customizing our dashboards, Analytics Designer plays an important role. And in this, we are going to see about different components, different modes, and what are the different widgets which are available, and how we can implement that in Analytics Designer, which includes radio button, drop downs, pop-up windows, and many more things. This is very important week in terms of scripting. If you are not aware about anything scripting, you will learn everything in the scripting. The next week 7 will be all about predictive scenarios. So what is the predictive scenarios? What is the smart predict? And all these things, how we can create data sets, what are classification, regression, and time series predictive models, that we are going to see along with the predictive planning. And the last week will consist of some of the administrative tasks, which will consist of security, business, and content, and analytics hub. So this is something which is more of related to the administrative section, where you are going to learn about the folder security, teams and roles, how admin panel is there, how we can maintain a model and data level security, business content network, life cycle management, email publications, collaboration, and comments. So these are we are going to see in the week 8. Now, these all topics which covers of 8 weeks full-fledged course, which consists of all the information about the SAP. And if you want to upskill yourself in the SAP Analytics Cloud, you should enroll for this course. And how to enroll this? In the video description, there is a link provided, and you have the demo class which is available, where you will be attending this demo class on coming Thursday. So this is a free demo class which is available, and you can attend that. And if you feel means this is fine, then you can go ahead with the complete this live class training. Keep learning, happy learning.